This is the car tracker here, and today we are replacing my touchscreen from the Maserati. Unfortunately, it was broken. Here, as you can see, it's a little bit different. The wire here a little bit thinner than the actual one, and it is actually like a piece of glass and plastic sitting on top of it that holds the actual pins and stuff. Didn't have an actual heat gun. The only way to get it out is to pry it out. So as you can see, there are all those pieces over here. So I use this IMUSA knife over here. So this is the touchscreen over here. It's all done. Now I'm just going to use this to scrape those glue out of it, and we're going to take it inside and slowly wipe it off and clean this one over here before we actually stick it on there. Screen is all cleaned up. I just got a little bit left over, but anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So anyway, as you can see, if you're looking at it, there's like a small kind of like a chamfered section where part of it's kind of like caved in. The reason for that is that when you actually put the touchscreen on there and you go and apply pressure, so that's what gives in a little bit. So every time you touch the screen, you feel like the screen is kind of like going in on you a little bit soft. It's because of these edges over here. I'm guessing they did that for a reason, just in case this actual screen Alright, we're in the car right now, so this is the screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect these components on there, and we'll go from there. So this one goes here. Stop. Does it work or does it not work? So this is a trick question. Right now, the old one that was on there works fine. So that's the good thing about this. Here we go. So now it's in. So now I can install everything back in and I'm all done. So thank you very much guys for watching. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. So now it's time for me to slap everything back in together and make sure it works, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much guys. So please like or